In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change brightness on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So there are few ways to change brightness. So first go to settings, then go to accessibility, then here go to color correction and go down, and here you will see intensity. So this option is not available for me, but if it is available for you, from here you can change the intensity. Now the second way is to just go back and go to screen and video. In video output, go down, go to adjust HDR, and from here you can change the brightness. And if this both option doesn't work for you, then you will need to change your monitor or your TV's brightness by through a remote or through the buttons that are given on your monitor or TV. Let me show you how you can do it. So just press the buttons or on remote you can change your TV or monitor's HDR, something like this. So you cannot do it from the PS5, you have to do it from the monitor or TV. So this is how you can change brightness on PS5. Thanks for watching.